Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money on Trust Wallet without investment. Open Trust Wallet, create a secure passphrase, and back it up offline now. Enable the D-App browser, explore yield farms, airdrops, and referral programs safely. Use small test transactions to learn interfaces and avoid scams by verifying contract addresses. Track gas fees and profits in a simple spreadsheet to evaluate strategies over time. Scan reputable crypto communities and official channels to spot airdrops and referral campaigns you can join without depositing money. Verify project contracts and team profiles before interacting, and use a secondary wallet for new D-apps. Claim tokens, complete simple tasks, and refer friends to collect bonuses. Keep records of what you claim and the expected unlock times so you can track potential gains and avoid unexpected token dumps. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more crypto tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers for tidy snacks during long research sessions. They keep salads intact and prevent laptop spills, making crypto work less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a simple upgrade to your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage bounties, contest tasks, and testnet programs to earn tokens by contributing skills rather than capital. Many projects reward social media work, translations, or bug reports with token grants. Use testnets to build reputation and claim allocations on mainnets when available. Join trustworthy projects offering non-custodial staking or reward programs that don't require deposits, and always audit your permissions to avoid giving unlimited token spending rights to unknown contracts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.